Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Morelli. Welcome back. Hope everybody's good, everybody's healthy and strong. And today we're going to talk about a very, very special day, a day that we celebrate every year to remind us how important our earth is to us. Why is it important? It helps that we learn to take care of it every day by thinking about what we do, how we treat our earth. We learn, first of all, to be clean, keep our homes clean, and make sure our roads, our grass, our school, our friends, everywhere that we go can work on taking good care of our earth. Now, we have 5 really very, very special points that I want to talk about. And those are to save energy. So saving energy helps us, and that maintains the energy that we need by not wasting it, preserving it, not to leave our lights on each day too long if we don't need them, and to make sure that when we have our friends over, that we leave the doors closed when we need the heat on. All of those things, we use up energy. Or if the air conditioning's on, also we have to remember, keep the doors closed if it's hot outside, because that will bring all the heat in, and we need more energy to keep the house cool. So those are one step that we learned about energy. Number 2, we have to protect our valuable planet. How are we going to do that? Also by recycling, making sure that everything is clean around us. That when we're driving or we're walking with our friends, we don't throw garbage out when we're finished just right on the floor. No, we look for a garbage pail. Or we remember that we have certain ways to recycle all that garbage. So number 3, we keep the air clean by doing that, and we keep the water clean, because we don't want garbage thrown in the water while the ducks want to swim and play, or in the summer when you want to go to the beach, because if that water is dirty, you can't use it. And if the air is dirty, we can't breathe properly. And also, recycling helps to save our landfill. We don't want to fill all of the land with lots and lots of garbage if we can recycle things, which means to use them over and over. Now, we also remember that we have to help our animals. Again, we don't want them to have garbage around where they may try to eat something that's going to make them choke, or some food that went bad. No, we have to take care of our things by disposing of them properly. So, boys and girls, I have created special bins, which I think your mommies and daddies probably have at home. One is paper. Here it is. P-A-P-E-R, paper. All the old newspapers can go in here, and when you collect them all, you can tie them up and make one big pile for when the garbage men come to pick it up. Another thing that we recycle is plastic. What's plastic? Well, for instance, bottles of items that mommy and daddy might use to clean the house, or even water bottles, for instance. And those plastic pieces can be recycled separately and reused again to recycle into something more that we can use in our environment by not wasting them completely. That's how we recycle. Here's another, my can bin. Here it is, cans. There it goes. When I'm finished with my cans, I can put them in a separate bin as well, not to mix them with the paper or the plastic, because they can also be reused, made into something new. Other things that are made of tin, things that we can possibly share and save by not just disposing of the cans completely. And last, we have glass. There it is. I keep all of the glass in here. And very important to remind you about everything that we recycle before we put them in the bins. Even though we're throwing them out, we need to clean them, rinse them, make sure, put the lids on tight so that our bins don't start to get dirty and smell and make our house and our environment dirty again. So keep everything clean before we recycle it. And those glass bottles, again, can be reused and made into something else that's made from glass. So these are the reasons why we don't just throw everything in one big bin. We separate them as Mrs. Morelli did. Paper, plastic, cans, and glass. And you could be helpers too. You can ask Mommy and Daddy, what do I have today to throw out? Can I help you? And you can go through it together. Make sure whatever is being recycled is rinsed and cleaned and put in the proper bin. You will be helping to save our planet Earth and making it healthy for you and for me and everyone you love, including your pets and animals all around, and the fish and the ducks and so on that are swimming in the water that need to be safe. So, boys and girls, I have a very special poem that I want you to learn, and if you would like to try it with me, we can do it together. It's our Earth Day poem, all about recycling. Now, if you could repeat with me, let's do it together. It's up to me. Everybody say it. It's up to me. It's up to you. Together. It's up to you. Reduce, reuse, recycle too. Now you say it. Reduce, reuse, recycle too. Earth Day is a day to remember that. Try it one more time with me. It's up to me. It's up to you. Reduce, reuse, recycle too. It's up to me. It's up to you. Reduce, reuse, recycle too. Very important, boys and girls, and thank you for being helpers to save our planet Earth, the water and the land around us. Keep it clean every day. I love you all. I miss you. Once again, I love you. And my heart will tell me all day, every day, as I look for you and I think about you and I could see you. I hope you could see me. Catch my kiss and take good care of our Earth. Happy Earth Day, everybody. Love you, boys and girls. I'll see you again soon. Bye now.